What are we doing? Hang on. What are we doing?
Oh, feeding the baby avocado for the first time. She turned 7 months today. You want to help? By all means. Here, take a bite. You want to help? You want to feed Aunt Ever? Here, take a bite. Just kidding.
Ooh, yummy. The look on her face is like, I'm not sure what to think.
No.
She likes banana. What are you doing?
Johnny wants to eat that.
Check. Nope.
Do you not like it?
Well,
Ooh, that's a good bite.
Good.
Oh, it's so delicious.
Johnny thinks he wants to roll it.
You need a bite? You gonna eat it? Yeah.
It's super
Yum.
yummy.
Yum.
Oh, sure.
Jacob.
What's wrong? Is not your cup of tea?
No, thank you.
Yeah, her say no thank you.
All right. Well, that was a good shot.
We tried. Do you want a bite?
Yeah.
It's
It's really
avocado.
yummy.
It's Mimi's favorite.
Is it delicious?
Mama, I did not like it.
You just ate it. Do you want more?
No.
You're such a good little eater, though. You're so brave for trying.